What's up guys, we are here in a new construction house in the heart of Fort Lauderdale, walking distance from Las Olas, built in 2020, 2 stories, over 3,000 square foot house, porcelain floors, quartz countertop, Bosch appliances, 10-foot ceilings, amazing house, a must see. Let's go inside for a full tour. Okay guys, so we're gonna go into the house for a full tour. We have 2-car garage. The location is absolutely perfect. Walking distance from Las Olas. Very quiet neighborhood, very safe. Very nice to see that the first thing is a lot of glass, a lot of light going into the house. High ceilings. Porcelain white floors. The house was already wired with surround system. The kitchen looks super nice. Quartz countertop, Bosch appliances. We also have some extra storage right here. We're gonna have a half bathroom on the first floor. And also a full bedroom with a full bath inside. So this room will have its own AC unit. It's usually gonna be probably for guests. So if someone wants to control his own AC, they can definitely do it. All the colors in the house, the tile is matching perfectly. I love the drop island, it looks absolutely gorgeous. And we're gonna go up to the second floor. The wire aluminum looks very nice, very modern. The washer and dryer area, Samsung appliances, there is the AC inside that room. So this will be the first room. Of course we have the recessed lights throughout, fan in the middle. We're gonna have a Jack and Jill here. And this is the third room. All the rooms are in very good size. They did a pretty nice closet for here as well. And we have 2 more rooms. So we're gonna see the third room on the top first. You can see the view to the outside. The windows from the floor to the ceiling. Such a nice feature. And now we're gonna go into the master. So they made the master very nice. We're gonna have a shower and a tub. This is gonna be the master closet. I love the colors. Everything match beautifully. And look at the shower. So hey guys, that's the tour for today. A really nice house that was built in 2020 and is on the market right now for 1.2 million.